Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the workspace flawless. Wash your hands and work on a flat, well-lit surface. Once done, wipe the screen with the alcohol pad to dissolve oils, then dry with the microfiber. Use the dust sticker to lift any particles. Now peel back only about 1/4 of the protector's backing so you can align, and place the exposed edge against the top of the phone near the camera and speaker. This partial peel locks placement and prevents full contamination while you proceed. Once the protector's exposed edge is aligned, slowly lower the rest straight down, keeping the film level. Use a firm, flat card wrapped in microfiber to press from center toward the edges. This forces air out and prevents trapped pockets. If you hit a stubborn dust speck, lift the nearest corner slightly, use the dust sticker to remove the particle, then relay and press again. Make sure you move deliberately rather than quickly. Controlled pressure gives an even seal and avoids misplacement. You finish by pressing the center firmly and sweeping outward to seat the adhesive all the way to the edges. This ensures full optical clarity and touch response. For small air bubbles, nudge them with the card toward the closest edge until they disappear. If a large bubble or dust remains trapped, lift the protector slowly from that corner, clean the area again, remove the particle, and reapply. This one troubleshooting move fixes most problems and preserves the protector's integrity when done carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.